Now pathogens, those are bacteria or whatever that cause disease. It's called a pathogen. Now normally they are just translocated species. So if you take the bacteria which normally occurs in your intestine and is your symbiotic friend in there, that you have to have in there to be healthy, if that gets translocated by some accident to another part of your body, let's say to the pericardium, that little skin around the heart. This creature, which is the exact same one that you need in your body, is now in a new location which is not conducive to its lifestyle, and it's under extreme stress and produces toxic substances under that stress which can kill you. Is that evolution? Now, when it comes to these pathogens, it's interesting how they change, and they can change. They tell you, the germs are getting tougher every year. Have you heard that? Well, actually what is happening, all they're doing is swapping genetic material. So a bacterium can take a piece of DNA and donate it to a neighbor, and that'll splice into the neighbor as a recipient, and that'll be a recombinant. But there's no new genetic material. In fact, mankind does it all the time. We swap genetic material between a man and a woman, and our children look different from us. But they still have human genetic material. And there was no new genetic material added in the process. It was just recombined genetic material. And the same with all the pathogens. So acquired immunity, resistance to pesticides, herbicides, antibiotics is not based on new genetic material. It's always based on recombined existing genetic material. There's no evolution involved here.